Student, continue with our topic. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are compounds that are made up of only carbon and hydrogen atom. So it contains only carbon and hydrogen. Classification of hydrocarbon. Here the chart is given. Hydrocarbon first divided as aliphatic or open chain compounds, cyclic or closed chain compound. Aliphatic divided into two, saturated and unsaturated. Cyclic, alicyclic and aromatic. Saturated, alkane called as paraffins. Formula CnH2n plus 2. Unsaturated, alkenes and alkyne CnH2n and CnH2n minus 2. Here the open chain compound or aliphatic compound are further subdivided into saturated compound and unsaturated compound. Saturated compound. Alkane is the example of saturated compound as it contains single bond. Formula CnH2n plus 2. All the four valencies of carbon are satisfied by single bond. Unsaturated compound. Example of unsaturated compound, alkene and alkyne. Alkene contain carbon-carbon double bond and alkyne contain carbon-carbon triple bond. Here, the term unsaturated means that more hydrogen or any other atom can be added to the hydrocarbon to make it saturated. Here, comparison between the saturated and unsaturated organic compound. Saturated, all four valencies of carbon atom satisfied. Here, unsaturated, the valency of at least two carbon atom are not fully satisfied by the hydrogen atom. Here they are forming single in saturated single carbon-carbon bond. Here they are forming carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Saturated, less reactive, they are showing substitution reaction. Here unsaturated, more reactive and showing addition reaction. Cyclic or closed chain or ring chain compound. Here we have examples of alicyclic compound such as they are cyclic or closed chain compounds. Cyclopropane, we can see the structure triangle type, CH2, 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 carbon-carbon attached to each other by a single bond. Formula C3H6. Cyclopentane, here we can see the structure and CH2 group attached by a single bond. Here or we can, if the structure present like this, also we can understand it's a structure of a cyclopentane. Cyclohexane containing only one double bond, CH2, 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 here single bond, and now CH and CH containing here double bond. This double bond satisfying the valency. We know that here one hydrogen is less, one hydrogen is less. It is less because carbon-carbon forming double bond between it. So there is no need of hydrogen. The valency is satisfied between the carbon and carbon. The structure can be present like this. Cyclohexane C6H10. Aromatic compound example, benzene structure, or we can say benzene ring. This is very important. Only one aromatic compound is there for you. See here, alternate double bonds, 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen, each carbon attached with a 1 hydrogen. We can draw structure like this also. Alternate double bond, we can see here. Its molecular formula is C6H6. Other example of compound, aromatic compound, toluene, here alternate double bond, at the top here CH3 methyl group, phenol alternate double bond, OH, that is hydroxy group, naphthalene, we can see the structure of this naphthalene, and this is the alternate double bond.